you looking for a job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Welcome to Rhythm. I am Dusha Agarwal and you're watching our special segment Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. National Disaster Management Authority has invited applications from willing and eligible officers of the central government or defense forces of central police organization or police or state government with requisite qualification and experience for the post of assistant advisor on a deputation basis in the pay level 11. Candidates interested in the post must have a bachelor's degree in computer science or electronics or information technology of telecommunications. Additionally, 5 years of experience is required in the handling of information technology networks. The maximum age limit for the post is 56 years. Interested candidates can visit the official website of ndma.gov.in/en/careers.html to send their application forms in the prescribed pro forma. Central Medical Services Society, the central procurement agency, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, is currently accepting applications for assistant general managers and managers in logistics and supply chain, finance, procurement, quality assurance, and so on a contract basis. The maximum age limit for the post of assistant general manager is 45 years, whereas the manager is 40 years. The monthly emoluments ranges from rupees 50,000 to 1 lakh. Interested candidates can find detailed information in the official advertisement, which is accessible on the CMSS website at www.cmss.gov.in. The last date of application is 20th May 2024. The Central Information Commission has announced vacancies for consultant, deputy registrar, consultant private secretary, and consultant and senior officer. Candidates who have recently retired from the central government service and are willing to engage as consultants in the commission are welcomed. Engagement is purely based on contract. The shortlisted candidate will be called in for an interview by the selection committee. A fixed monthly amount shall be admissible. The remuneration amount shall remain unchanged for the term of the contract. Interested candidates are required to send their applications on the following address within 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. The Gandhigram Institute of Rural Health and Family Welfare Trust, an autonomous body under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the Government of India, has invited applications for the post of Field Investigator and Research Fellow. For further details, log on to www.girhfwt.org. The last date to fill out the application form is 30th April at 5 p.m. The Indian Agricultural Research Institute has called for 38 contractual positions, including 7 vacancies for research associates, 19 vacancies for senior research fellows, and 11 vacancies for young professionals. The positions are unreserved, temporary, and co-terminus with the project. The salaries for the above-mentioned posts range from 35,000 to 49,000 with an additional house rent allowance. The maximum age for candidates applying for the post is 45 years. However, there is an age relaxation of 5 years for SC or ST candidates, 3 years for OBC candidates, and 10 years for PWD candidates. Interested ones can visit the official website of iari.res.in/bms/announcements to the job section to file their application forms and for further details. The Armed Forces Tribunal's regional bench in Srinagar at Jammu has invited applications for the post of Principal Private Secretary Section or Tribunal Officer, Junior Accounts Officer as Stenographer Grade 1 on deputation. Interested candidates can visit the official website of www.aftdelhi.nic.in for eligibility criteria, age limit, and other details. Sainik School in Jhansi, UP has called in for applications for the TGT General Sciences and Counselor. The posts are contractual based. The salary for the post of counselor is 29,000, whereas for the post of TGT General Science is 35,000. You can get further queries by contacting the school office on mobile number 6232015480. The departments of posts under the Ministry of Communication in the Government of India are inviting applications from eligible Indian citizens for the post of staff car driver, general car service, grade C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial in Karnataka Circle in the pay scale of rupees 19,900 to 63,200. The age limit for the post ranges from 18 to 27 years. However, candidates of SC, ST and OBC are granted the age relaxation of 5 years and 3 years respectively. The candidate interested in the post should possess a valid driving license for the light and heavy motor vehicles. Moreover, the candidates should also possess experience of 3 years in driving light and heavy motor vehicles. The last date of application is on or before 14th May. For application and further details, kindly visit the official website at www.indiapost.gov.in. Alcon International Limited has announced 6 openings for assistant managers with a pay scale ranging from 40,000 to 1,40,000. The essential qualifications include 2 years of full-time postgraduate degree or diploma in HR, personnel, international relations or so on. The maximum age limit for the post is 30 years. A prior experience of 1 year is required in this field. The last date of applications are 10th of May. Interested candidates can visit the website at www.ircon.org to fill out the application forms and for further details. Division of Microbiology and Pathology of the Indian Agricultural Research Institute is conducting online interviews for a contractual post of Senior Research Fellow, Junior Research Fellow, Project Assistant, Unskilled Contractual Labour and so on. The interview will be held on 16th May 2024 at 10 a.m. Let us tell you that the minimum qualifications including a post-graduation in the above faculties is required. The maximum age limit for the post is 35 years. The salary for the Senior Research Fellow is 31,000. The salary for the Junior Research Fellow is fixed at 37,000, whereas for the unskilled labour it's 15,000 per month. Visit the official website at www.iari.res.in for further details. The Central Administrative Tribunal is calling for candidates on a deputation basis for the positions of Joint Registrar, Deputy Registrar, Principal Private Secretary, Deputy Controller of Accounts and so on. The common eligibility criteria includes 5 years of prior experience in the same field. The salaries for the above mentioned posts range from Rs 15,600 to 39,100. The maximum age limit at the time of appointment of deputation should not exceed 56 years. Interested candidates should send their application form before the last date at the following address. Naval Dockyard, Mumbai invites online applications on registration.ind.in from ITI qualified fresher candidates, male or female, in various designated trades for enrollment into 1 year of apprenticeship training at Dockyard Apprentice School. A total of 301 vacancies are to be filled through these applications. The post includes electrician, electroplater, fitter, foundryman and so on. The candidates should be a 10th pass out to enroll in this apprenticeship program. There is no age limit for the training. However, the training requires minimum physical standards which include 150 centimeters height, weight not less than 45 kgs and eyesight 6 out of 6 or 6 out of 9. The minimum rate of stipend shall be paid every month according to the Para 5 Clause 1 of the Gazette of India dates September 25, 2019. Candidates are required to log on to registration.ind.in and fill up online applications. So that wraps up today's update, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you've enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.